And approaching the ring from Big City,
So this will be a one-fall to a finish one-on-one match. The first competitor to score a pin or submission will win.
He sweeps his leg, and there's the STO! And that would hurt his hand. Oh, no! Talk about getting launched out of the ring.
Cyborg controlling the arm.
Good Lord. Oh, what a shot. That head's like a battering ram. He's putting those educated feet to good use. Dear Lord, what a suplex. 4. Oh, man, what a collision. A shoulder block.
Wild strike misses the target. Cyborg has the headlock.
It's much longer, and this could end in the countout.
Not today, too fast.
And a huge collision with the barricade.
And he's heading back in.
1, 2, 3. Don't think I won't count you out. Oh my gosh, what a slam! 4. Oh, the ref just got taken out. The ref's out.
Under the ring. But this isn't a no disqualification match.
He might be trying to get disqualified.
Cyborg into the headlock. Right on the tail. Cyborg. And he breaks the hold. I guess he wants to try something else.
I don't know what more you'd want to do to another man. And it's so hard to catch somebody with the size and power of Brodus Clay.
Cyborg with the arm.
Oh, what a spinebuster.
Cyborg controlling the head.
Oh, what a slam. What impact.
Got out of the way of that one.
Oh my gosh! Right into that steel post. Look out! Oh, off the steel post. Head first and again.
That may be it. And he gets back in. Brodus is in trouble.
And down they go. What an impact. He is definitely going to have those ribs looked at after this match.
Good reaction from Clay. Another good one.
Look at this. Big bulldog.
He's
He's looking at it.
This is sideboard touch. Look, snapshot. Looking away. 2, 3. Sideboard wins.
And here's some highlights from the matchup.